Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. Welcome to The Other Side with Fariha and Talat. Our show today is part two of a series that we started earlier. If you may remember, one of the episodes we called Maheen Khan, where we talked about branding and about what kind of brand are you. At that time, we talked about wardrobe, clothes, accessories, and how that impacts your character, your self confidence, just how you feel. Today is part two of the same show, and we're going to be focusing on hair and styling and hair color and how that impacts your confidence. So there was actually a research done at Yale University where they talked about bad hair days, and we all have them, right? And what they found very interestingly is that when you have a bad hair day, you feel very low in confidence, you feel very critical of yourself, and strangely, you also feel that you are not very capable. So it's pretty incredible. They also found that after your skin, after your smile, and after your eyes, one of the first things that people notice about you is your hair. Fariha, over to you. What do you think?
Thank you. So that was quite insightful, Talat. I didn't know that there's so much of a strong connection. What I wanted to bring, Talat, because as you're saying, we all have bad hair day, but also there are situations in life, right? We know some, certain treatments, particularly where people lose their hair of course, skin and all of that. So I think the two important factors, and if you remember, Maheen Khan spoke about it, and Kate Firth in our previous programs about the body
Yes.
image. Is the two areas I want to build on that is confidence and character. Because while it's extremely important to pay attention to the whole packaging, and I think it does play a role on your confidence, and it is very important to bring your unique style, because people, sometimes they're bold also, right? So and they look really good as well and very confident. So I think everybody has their own attractive feature. So character, I don't want to talk too much about it, because I think I genuinely believe it's something you learn while during your upbringing. So
Yes.
these are the values. Often we hear कि companies की भी values होती हैं, लेकिन जो individual होती है ना, honesty जो भी है आपकी, वो आपकी change होती नहीं है. So I think that character part is very, very important. Confidence with few tips, if I can share, Talat, besides what we've been discussed earlier. Number one, I like to say that people are typically very critical, both male and female, about their looks, and cosmetic industry hasn't done any favor to us. The fairness cream, and sometimes it's the height, sometimes it's the weight, sometimes it's whatever. So I think the best way is, once you center, when you look at yourself in the morning, I think it's very important to focus on things that you like about yourself, not what you don't like, because I think if you don't like yourself, nobody else will like it. So I think that is very important for confidence building. Um, the second thing we spoke about again earlier, when you lift others, you lift yourself. And your face glow, you shine. So I think these two are very, very important. What do you think, Talat?
Absolutely, Fariha, some great points over there because, we're born with certain features, we're born with a certain body style, you're born with certain, a nose, eyes, whatever they are, that's kind of what you're born with. Although now with cosmetic surgery, there are a lot of people that go and have those changes, but pretty much the majority don't. But there are things that you can change. I think the interesting thing about your haircut and your hair color, these are two things that you can change very easily, that are not so expensive, like going for a cosmetic surgery. However, can have a huge impact on your overall look and how you overall feel. So I think that's really interesting, and it really doesn't take away from the amazing work that global hairstylists and these people, the kind of work that they do and the kind of industry that's been created here. It's not just out of thin air. It's the fact that men and women, hair is a pretty important feature, and how you look after it, what you do with it, how you present yourself, all of those things. I mean, I'm sure you've met people where they've changed their hairstyle completely and they look like new people. I mean, you can't believe it's the same person who's had such an or the color suddenly changed, or you think about aging, okay, and hair, when your hair starts to grow gray and starts to go white. Why is it that women color their hair? Why is it that men color their hair? It's associated with youth, right? White hair is associated with aging, and black hair or darker hair is associated with youth. Where feeling youthful makes you feel younger, makes you feel more confident. So it's all connected, isn't it?
It is connected. I do believe there's another side. I think there's more to do whatever works, right? And of course, we can't deny, as you're saying, there are industries that are established, there are professions that are established just on the looks, and it's growing actually. If we look at all these industries, they are growing. So clearly people are becoming more aware. I think what is also very important not to forget is to lose yourself or focus so much on the outer part that your internal part gets neglected, which is often the backbone. So agreed, Talat. And I think we have someone very special today.
Yeah, we do. So we're very, very excited about welcoming the one and only, as he calls himself, the one and only Tariq Amin. Who hasn't heard of Tariq Amin? He's a hairstylist, he's a stylist, he's been around since possibly the late 80s, mid to late 80s, and he'll tell us a lot about this. He's won quite a few, I think, Lux Style Awards for his contributions and his work. So everybody knows him. It'd be wonderful to have him on our show, and he's going to be with us very shortly, and he's actually hopefully going to be able to give us that connection and some amazing tips on hair, on makeup, so do stay tuned, because I think it's going to be really interesting. Yeah, it's going to be a good show.
Styling as well. His work was also featured in Vogue magazine. So he's a wardrobe stylist as well. He's worked with lots of celebrities. So we're very excited to have him on the show.
Yeah, absolutely. So please stay tuned for part 2 of What Brand Are You on the Other Side with Fariha and Talat.